Today, we're creating a true bi-directional sync between Rillet and Snowflake, eliminating data silos and ensuring real-time consistency across both systems. From the Stacksync dashboard, let's navigate to Create Resource, then proceed to Syncs. We select Rillet as our source connector. Next, we choose a previously configured credential, as detailed in the tutorial documentation. Then, we select our Snowflake connection. Just as with Rillet, a pre-configured Snowflake connection is already available. We select it and update the name to Sync Rillet and Snowflake. Now, let's link the tables within our Rillet connection. We can select all the tables we want to sync. Stacksync enables you to include as many tables as your use case demands. You have full flexibility to create a one-way sync, a reverse sync, or a full bi-directional sync. For this demonstration, we're configuring a two-way sync. Stacksync can either create a new table or sync data directly into an existing table in Snowflake. For this demo, we'll let Stacksync automatically create a new table with the appropriate schema. No manual setup required. Next, we proceed to column mapping, consistent with the table view. Stacksync provides granular control to define the sync direction at the individual column level: one-way, reverse, or bidirectional. You can also adjust the data type for each column or exclude columns that are not relevant to your integration. Finally, let's proceed to create sync. We activate the sync. From this point forward, Stacksync delivers seamless, real-time data integration across your enterprise landscape, with zero custom scripting and no ongoing maintenance burden. As an advanced integration cloud, Stacksync provides far more than bidirectional sync. It delivers robust event triggers, workflow automation, EDI support, and hyperscale database compatibility. Purpose-built for enterprise scale. Event triggers empower your teams to capture changes across any enterprise system or database in real time, enabling immediate action and automated operational workflows that support even the most mission-critical use cases. Within each sync, Stacksync provides powerful workflow options. For example, enabling propagate schema updates allows Stacksync to automatically detect and apply schema changes, whether the source is Rillet or Snowflake. For teams requiring deeper customization, Stacksync offers full YAML configuration, giving engineers the ability to go pro-code and precisely tailor every sync to their specific technical requirements. In the settings, you can define your data sync frequency. Select real-time for operational use cases, or configure alternative schedules optimized for analytical workloads. Navigating to statistics, we gain real-time visibility into exactly how data is being propagated between systems. As you can see, the sync is running live. We can confirm that all records have been successfully populated across both Rillet and Snowflake, with full fidelity. Switching to our Snowflake demo environment, we simply refresh the view and observe that within our new schema, all corresponding tables from Rillet have been automatically created. All 5 tables are present, complete with their respective fields, perfectly aligned with Rillet. Now, let's demonstrate the true power of Stacksync's bi-directional sync. Navigating to the product table in Rillet, we can confirm that all data from Rillet is accurately reflected in Snowflake in real time. To illustrate a change propagating from Snowflake back to Rillet, we'll update the product name from Sync Product 2 to Sync Product Test. The moment we commit this update in Snowflake, the change is automatically reflected in Rillet, ensuring immediate, guaranteed data consistency. Upon reloading the page, we confirm the record has been captured and is correctly displayed in Rillet. We can equally perform the same operation in the reverse direction, from Rillet back to Snowflake. We navigate to the data storage test record. Let's update the configuration, removing the unnecessary field and retaining data storage as the destination. We save the product. Now, let's switch to Snowflake. We refresh the view, and immediately we can see the update has been reflected in our Snowflake instance, in real time, with no latency. Whether you need to execute bulk updates or single-row changes, Stacksync handles both seamlessly. Insert and delete operations are fully supported as well, across all related objects and entities. Stacksync provides more than 200 enterprise-grade connectors, empowering your teams to create a two-way sync with your preferred business applications, databases, and data warehouses. The result? True real-time, bi-directional data consistency across your most critical systems, accelerating time to value, reducing TCO, and reclaiming valuable engineering hours from integration plumbing. Get started at Stacksync.com, the #1 AI-ready enterprise integration platform.